James has asked, is it worth the cost to upgrade the oil pump gears such as billet gears versus an OEM gear? Good question there. So this really is going to come down to your particular engine. So in our case, we are running the dry sump system. Even if we aren't going to be going to the daily engineering 5-stage pump, we've already got a Barnes 3-stage pump on there. So not much of an issue for us. There are, if you're running a factory oil pump, then yeah, this becomes a major consideration. And a lot of the oil pump gears are known to fail. The Nissan RB is a classic example. Basically, you rev an RB26 beyond 8,000 RPM and the sintered material for the oil pump gear just shatters and it's game over. Loss of complete oil pressure at 8,000 RPM normally doesn't work too well for the poor little RB26. So yeah, if you've got an engine where there's a known problem with the oil pump gear reliability and there are ready off-the-shelf options in terms of billet gears, then yeah, RB is another classic example where there is a number of off-the-shelf aftermarket oil pumps available now, so you're a bit spoiled for choice.
That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.